Are there some key elements or building blocks of game theory that you can define for us?
I mean, one avenue is a very simple avenue of you have a collective. Mm-hmm. People have an opinion over what should be done in any given circumstance, but the collective is such that it acts as a whole. How do you aggregate those individual opinions into a collective action?
Sure.
And this is a hard problem, a
No
very
doubt,
hard problem,
yeah.
right? And then it's made. You got some like properties to this. Maybe people can leave the collective if they choose. Maybe they can't. Maybe they can leave if they pay. Maybe if they leave, they get paid. Maybe it costs the collective to have a member leave. And each of these circumstances will alter your sort of solution, potential solutions, and how good they are. In a country, for example, it's quite hard to leave a country. It's like you have to pack all your stuff up.
Yeah.
You have to like travel. You have to find another country to live in. You have to maybe learn a different language. It's a non-trivial undertaking. Whereas if you sell your share, if you're part of a collective in that you hold shares in a corporation, leaving as a shareholder, that's quite easy.
Sure.
Sell on the market, you buy some other. One has to understand the nature of the collective to understand the potential viability of any given solution. We might automatically sort of presume, that means voting systems.
Right.
But it doesn't necessarily mean voting systems. That one can imagine all sorts of other or only partially democratic systems.
Right.
And which is not to say that voting systems are wholly democratic by any stretch either. Obviously, there's like papal model where you've got a pope,
sure,
or a monarchistic model, imperial model. You've got like dictatorial model. You've got like you've got a random dictator model where you just every day you just select someone at random. This is perfectly democratic, right? Everyone has on a probabilistic level exactly the same influence over what happens.
Interesting, right?
Right, but it's still a dictatorial model in that only one person is responsible for any given decision.